Hello everyone, in today's quick demo we're going to go over how to create an offer that has a maximum use of 1 time per customer. As you will see, I've already created an offer for 50% off of one item for all of our hot sauces. I'm going to have the system automatically consider this in the cart. In the restrictions tab here, I'm going to set the maximum use per customer as 1. Now let's jump over into the main site to make sure that this offer is working. I'll add the Green Ghost hot sauce to the cart, and you will see that the promotion is being applied, 50% off of one item. Let's go ahead and check out. And we'll complete the order here. And you can see that I got to an order confirmation page. Now, in order to make sure that this offer is working, we'll go back and we'll add the same hot sauce, Green Ghost, to the cart. And you will see that I'm no longer getting the savings here. So that offer did work. I received 50% off of the item one time, and on the second time, the code did not apply. That's how easy it is to create that offer.